I just had the most exciting 3 days in a long time. So the Heirloom Expo just finished, but I'm gonna show you guys what you missed out so that you won't miss the next one. Let's go. Okay, so a couple days before the expo, I came over to my friend's garden to check out all these giant gourds he's growing. Let's harvest a 50-pound or possibly heavier than that. These are winter melons. Wow. Keep in mind that an average winter melon weighs about 20 to 25 pounds, but this thing is 44. Okay, so slightly under 50, but still gigantic. So I took them home and we're gonna take it to the expo the next day. I'm gonna be harvesting a few things to bring with me. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's like glowing. This is a white bitter melon or bitter gourd. Got some grass jelly with it too. We just made it. Oh my god, look at them, they're setting it up. Check out my packing skills. It's time to unload. I brought plants, giveaways, produce for the exhibit hall, my mom, and then my friend came and they helped me set up. And now it's time to carefully unload the stars of the show. All right, we'll get that one last.
Those are incredible. Wow. Look, I love seeing that.
I was seeing like, I don't know a video, like you're just dangling.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What you got? What you got?
That's a volunteer.
Oh, aren't they the best?
Volunteers are what I'm talking about here.
Oh,
That
God.
is a cross between a black beauty and a crookneck. Yellow crookneck.
So the winter melon is very slippery. I had to tie it down, making sure it won't roll off again. Oh, look at that display. Oh my gosh. Okay. DIY.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
That's a big one. Oh, that's really neat. Long beans.
Yeah.
That's a big old smell.
One of the best things about getting out there on setup day is that you get to meet everyone and just kind of check out everything when it's in perfect condition. The things that you'll find in this exhibition hall is a display of different types of heirloom produce, such as gourds, squashes, melons, rare fruits, flowers and herbs, especially those dahlias since the tubers are edible, and the very popular seed swap. I spelled plural. Does it matter which holes? Okay, got it. The clamp. Oh, yeah, definitely the back. Yeah, just some support with some trees. It was so much fun seeing how you guys were so intrigued by the plants I brought. Of all the rare plants I brought, I gotta say the grass jelly was the funnest plant I brought. Even made some for snacking. Later on the day, I went over to the exhibit hall to check up on my display and of course others that I didn't get to see earlier in the day. I heard the seed swap was super popular. Difficult. Tasting. Water. Did you try it yet?
Yeah, try what?
The watermelon.
Oh, the watermelon? I did earlier, yeah. I stood in line.
Oh.
Lucky you don't have to stand in line.
Oh, sorry. Too busy vlogging, I'm sorry. Thank you. Don't mind me, we're hungry.
Is that one good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you've already eaten it?
What? Chef. Oh. Again. Oh my god.
Cranberry. Oregon grapes.
Oh my god.
I got these beauty berries.
Yes.
Oh,
They look
my.
like peppers, huh? Like peppercorn.
Yeah.
Have you ever had sea beans though?
No, I haven't.
Oh god, they're so good.
Is this just like a raw type of thing, or do you cook it? Or?
Both. You can stir fry, a quick stir fry of them are really good.
Okay.
You can just put a
Like
little bit of
some garlic
salad.
and oil type of
Yeah,
thing.
they're good at raw too. They're salty, like almost tastes like a brined,
Okay.
crunchy, succulent
Right
thing.
on.
Later on the day, Baker Creek seeds were already almost gone. So I highly recommend that you get there early on the first day and that you should check out the plants, the seeds, do your shopping, and then come back and check out everything else. Irish eyes?
Yeah. This is a Yitka rose garlic.
Look who's here with us.
Back again.
Back again, the Heirloom Expo.
I attempted to carve this wax melon, winter melon, and I used this just to see. And it's so hard. The skin is so tough, and that's just natural, you know. So I just scraped it like that, but I can't get my knife tip into it. Or
Wow.
else it would bend my knife tip.
That's so crazy.
Feels
Yeah,
like a gourd.
it is a gourd, but it's been hardened. It's hardened. That's why they're able to like store it for like 8 to 6 months.
Yeah.
And in Chinese, they call this metal skin gourd. So it's
And I wasn't expecting.
kind of lives up to its name.
She giving me the look.
Wow.
You hear about that?
Stability. Most carvers will sit here and try to carve it.
Pumpkin.
And so I told him, sort of just letting your finger, anything on there.
Goes up the string and it goes back down that same string, up and down. So that's like the total space saver that I'm able to grow. So on this day, I gave my talk on small space gardening. If you guys want to check that out, I will put a link below. By this time, some of the fruits have been cut so that you can take a closer look at them. This is the day that if you see anything that you like, most things will be up for sale at the end of the expo, and the profits will go towards donation. Oh my gosh, so I was told by Ben at Baker Creek that this table has, got first place, yay! So this is that winter melon that I brought in. And thank you to the extra contribution from our friends here for these lovely yard-long beans and eggplants. Even though this table got first place, I do want to thank everyone who had contributed to this table, our friends at the expo and my friends back home.
They say a winter melon.
Winter melon. It's a gourd. So they store them for the winter. They last for at least 6 or 8 months or even longer.
Fantastic. Yes, and they're a variable. You got a long time.
Can you tell me more about the lotus fruit?
This guy, it's lotus persimmon.
Oh, it's a persimmon.
Yes. So see, they're starting to turn orange, and when they're ripe, they'll come off and you just eat the whole thing. They're like little candies.
Wow.
Yeah,
Any of
they'll
them
fall
ripe?
off like
Yeah.
any. I don't have any ripe ones.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
And they're more like Hachaya variety. They need to be
Yeah, have to-
softer.
okay.
They're astringent. Like right now, they're astringent.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And I think they're a little, like they're just starting to come in.
So they do have that same color as
Yes,
that
they'll turn orange.
red? Okay.
Like this one's,
Yeah, fantastic. Oh, sorry. The pop.
these jojoba beans are nuts if you want to try one.
Yes. Try to open it.
I chewed the whole thing.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Once you get past, it's got the oils in there.
I used the oils, but never had.
I think it's good, astringent at the end.
Oh, it's so flavorful.
Right?
It's good. It's like different than other nuts. And that oil is coming in. That really creaminess is coming in.
Yes.
This year I did a lot of running around between my booth and the exhibition hall, so I didn't get much of a chance to shop. However, this is one of the coolest things I've seen there. These bags would help keep your produce lasting a lot longer in the fridge, so I'm glad I had a chance to chat with them for a bit. Alright guys, now we are reaching the end of the expo. I want to just thank our sponsors out there to be doing the giveaways, and especially this is the grand prize for the day. The GreenStalk garden, this vertical planter, is gonna go home with a lucky winner that I'll be drawing, and we got some friends here waiting for the drawing. Here as a contestant, this beautiful box. All right. This one. Paige? Yeah. Abraham? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Welcome.
High five. Yeah. All right. Congratulations. Take it home.
So many herbs now.
Yeah. Thank you to all of you who came out to the expo and came up to talk to me. I even did a little interview with Voice of America, so if you guys who wants to hear it in Ding Viet, I will leave the link below. So just spring and summer, very fast growing.
That one's very nutritious, you know.
I know, and it's very tasty.
Thank you so much.
I'm very hungry. I love that in a soup.
Very good soup.
Oh, yeah. If you like sweet ones, this is the sweetest ones. Yeah, it's like really, really sweet.
Honey bug.
Exactly.
Sorry. So sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thanks so much for being here. It's been amazing seeing all the produce. It's amazing having you here and all the different speakers and vendors and exhibitors and volunteers. I just want to thank everybody for being part of this event. So many cool people and so many cool varieties. And the enthusiasm is building. We've met so many people that want to be part of it next year in some form, whether it's they want to volunteer or speak or bring produce or set up an educational display, and also so many people that went home with ideas that I heard that were like, hey, I'm going to grow dragon fruit or this or that or the other thing. So appreciate everybody being here and all the help.
All right, guys, so this wraps up for this year's National Heirloom Expo. Thank you, Baker Freak, for having me back. It's been a really exciting time. If you guys missed this one, don't worry, there's always the next year. But yeah, that's it for me for now. Be sure to subscribe and see more videos if you want to check out more content. I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay. Okay, ooh, look at that. Oh, look at that beauty. Yeah. Woohoo. Wow, that's cool.
It's okay.
You want some? It's sweet garlic.
It's perfect.
Drop more. There's actually several pieces here. Okay, you're on camera. Give us the taste test. What you think?
No matter, no. It smells horrible, but it tastes really good. That's good.
I get some.
Smell like water.
Thank you, that's
Nail it.
Yeah, the seeds are.
Oh my. Cinnamon, caramel. That is amazing. That's a big surprise.
It's very intense flavor.
It all comes together. Yeah, I get it.
Things are not. I often think things are not like.
So you want to?